Bali SoulShine retreat at the Bali Mandala Resort, a paradise. Dolphins swim freely, birds fly, colors of nature abound. We got initiated to ancient wisdom of Bali. Under the sacredness of water, the connection to the elements, the martial arts, the Tai Chi, harmony, we celebrated birthdays, practice yoga and meditation, witnessing the Balinese culture and the practice of SuryaSoul, conscious dance practice with SuryaSoul Soma, the dance of the body, and SuryaSoul Spirit, the dance of spirit. Community into the wild, into the wise, into the fun, into the silence, into the expression of the soul, to the richness of music. The presence of Jeremy Ruskin singing for us.